Bigger Inside. We are a French startup, and today I'm going to talk to you about the VR experience that we are making. It's a V-Sport. We are merging video games and reality in order to immerse players into a mixed reality arena. So first, let me show you what it looks like. So players are wearing a backpack PC and a suit that captures the whole body movement and a headset to enter the game. The Microsoft headset localization combined with our suit allow many players to move into large-scale rooms in free roaming and for 5 times less the cost of other solution based on camera capture. The real full capture body allow a maximum immersion feeling and provide the ability to cast spells using gesture recognition. The gameplay drives the player to move quickly and to perform spectacular action, and that's really important for esports. The team versus team aspect of the game retains the player to improve their stats and skills and to unlock exclusive content. So let me introduce you the founder team. Benjamin, our CEO, he has 15 years of experience in research and development and in industrialization of equipment. Matthias, our game director, he worked for 5 years at Ubisoft on games like Assassin's Creed and Ghost Recon. I'm Damian. I'm a senior software architect and I also a full stack developer. Last year, Didier joined us. He is our first partner. He invests in the society and brings us its expertise in LBE. We have different skills, and our skills combined help us to have the full mastery of the products that we are shipping. And it helps us also to have the full coherence between the game, the software, and the hardware. We have built a full body capture equipment that allows the creation of abilities based on gesture recognition. To name a few, you can cast spells using your hand, just by opening your hand, or protect yourself by closing the other one. You feel you have a feeling of power, and your hands are still free to interact with everything else in the environment because you don't have to carry a physical weapon or physical controller. And it's opened a lot of gameplay possibilities. Our technology is insensitive to visual occlusion. Each members of each players are still tracked correctly in mazes, even with high player densities. And we designed the whole solution with the cost in mind. So a laser tag owner, for example, can add value to its activity with just a little investment and without any structural change. These key points are the basis for an original and highly immersive competitive game in team versus team. So what's next? The video you just saw was the alpha version of the game. This summer, we will launch in France the first center of this kind with the final version, and it will have enhanced graphics and many other surprises. Later, before the end of this summer, we will release the turnkey solution for LBE owner. So stay tuned if you are interested in making a partnership to open a center in your town or in your country. We will be really pleased to discuss with you in order to achieve that. Thank you very much. Feel free to engage with us after the talks. We'll be really happy to answer your question. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. We have Omni.